making our way into Brudel Lake. Rocks sticking out all over. So we're taking it nice and slow. Oh, those sand flights are tasty. Good protein. Okay, we're lights action camera. Good to go. Doing the portage through the rocks. The riverman's pitting his mighty Zodiac through the through the rocks. This is Endurance 101. Oh. Oh, don't snag the boat. Over yonder here, there's a double chute here, one over there and one here that there's no way we can go through. So we unloaded all the stuff and decided to pitch tent for or camp for the night, and we're going to drag the Zodiac and the porta boat over the backside of the tent and put it in the calmer water and then shoot into the lake. In our wind-blown tent, it's kind of leaning. Number one campsite behind us. We got about another 85 miles to go. We accomplished 15 yesterday. We'll see what happens. Well, I think a guy can shoot it, Devin, if the guy stays right in the middle here. Holy shit. Ah, cocksucker. Oh boy. This could spell danger. On a little sandy beach, we navigated the wrong direction and got to loop back around this sandy point, back to the east a little bit. Man, that's fantastic. Some damn good fishing in here, Devin. This rock should have been here. No. You know, it's amazing, Devin, that rock is, you know, how many bazillion years has that water been banging against it? Look, it's washed it out a lot, but it's amazing how long it takes. Shoot. Tough farming in here, Devin. Wow. It's just kind of neat how it's dished and bowled out, and it's just a neat thing.